the founder and president of the International Institute for Peace Through Tourism. He's joining us from New York. He has been there also from the very beginning. I think we don't really have to explain. Peace through tourism is self-explanatory. He had a number of, I would say, very influential events in the world. He can tell you a little bit about himself, his organization, and we're very glad to have you here, Lou. Good morning.
Morning, Thomas, and my apologies for being late signing on. I had a funeral to go to that I didn't realize till last night. So thank you for your patience, and hello to everyone. It's good to see so many friends there joining you. And Jürgen, I want to congratulate you and Peter Tarlow on your 1-year anniversary of this amazing achievement. It's great to see so many friends celebrating with you, in particular, Dr. Taleb Rafai, who inspired us all during his 8 years as UN WTO Secretary General and continues to do so. IIPT has been most honored that he agreed to be chairman of our International Advisory Board on leaving the UN World Tourism Organization. You have been successful in uniting small and medium-sized travel and tourism businesses and giving them a voice to express their needs and aspirations. With members in more than 120 countries and growing, as well as chapters and networks, which includes a Peace Through Tourism network that we look forward to expanding in the days ahead. I'm particularly grateful to you and World Tourism Network for hosting several IIPT Zoom forums, the most recent of which announced a series of IIPT initiatives in support of the UN International Year of Peace and Trust. Some of these include the IIPT ASRAC project, with a goal of providing humanitarian assistance for Syrian refugees in the Azraq Community Center in Jordan. A community organic farm in India linked to tourism with the local administration of the region and involving MBA students in a rural sensitization program. Transforming communities through community tourism with a strategy that includes community development, entrepreneurship, inclusive innovation, and civic participation. And I'm glad to see Diana McIntyre Pike is with us today, and she certainly will be able to expand on that much further. An olive tree trekking route in Turkey that incorporates the archaeological and current olive tree locations with an emphasis in certain historic communities where IIPT Peace Parks will be located as focal points along the route. An online booking platform for travelers interested in peace through tourism. And I believe Andreas Larentzakis is also there with us. He can expand on that. Peace with Food, a documentary on sustainable organic agriculture. Peace tours to Chernobyl, Hiroshima, and North Korea. A festival of peace in Iran, and a goal of increasing IIPT's peace parks around the world from 450 to 1,000 by the end of the year. This is our primary initiative, Jürgen, and we welcome everyone to join us on this. Jürgen and the World Tourism Network, as well as Jeff Lippman and his Sun X project, will be joining us as partners on this initiative. In the spirit of thinking globally and acting locally, I've been working on the dedication of a peace park in my hometown, Utica, New York, where I have returned after being away for 63 years. F.T. Proctor Park in Utica is a National Historic Site, and it will be dedicated as an IIPT Peace Park on September 1, the UN International Day of Peace. I invite all of you to join us in achieving the goal of 1,000 IIPT Peace Parks circling the Earth, or any of the projects I have mentioned. Please contact me at ljd@iipt.org. Thank you very much for this opportunity, Jürgen. And again, congratulations to you and Peter, and my best to all who are participating in this with you.
No, thank you very much,
Thank
Lou.
you.
And
Thank you so much, Lou.
And if you needed Lou's address, he's also on the WTN website. Just look him up, either look under New York, or better even click on the interest group for Peace Through Tourism, and you have Lou's contact information there as well. And you can actually also see, if you go to archive, specifically to livestream.travel, the 2 events we did for IIPT. They're quite intensive and very informative. I wanted to go
Jürgen,
back
can
on-
I just interrupt you a second, as I came in late, and just apologize to everyone for coming in late?
Yes, yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Hi, Peter.
Hi, hello to everybody. I'm sorry I'm late. I had I'm on the security workings for the 2028 Olympics in Los Angeles, and often these committee meetings just seem to pop up out of no place. So I had to be at an Olympics committee meeting, and then I got back to you all as soon as I can. Louis, thank you for your good words. Minister, I'm sorry I missed the first part of it. I apologize. Lots of success, and I'm sure this is being a wonderful program. So this is a really great day for both Jürgen and me as far as celebration. We started this a year ago, and here it is.
No,
So-
thank you, Peter, and thanks for
Alan, it's good to
raising
see
your
you.
hand. I
Thank
didn't
you,
even see
Peter.
you came in. I saw
Thank
your
you,
wife
thank you.
is in, and welcome also, Nancy, for joining us. But let's go back real briefly to Minister Vilas-Caty. I think he had a very, very interesting discussion, and he really did a great job of introducing the Kingdom of Eswatini. And Minister, what I'm suggesting is, also, and I wanted to just see if anyone has any specific questions, but that we do maybe a special session on Eswatini, where we could actually just talk about your country, your achievements. And I know the head of your tourism board, Lillian, she has been extremely active over the years. And I think there could be a lot to talk to about. So we'd be very happy to facilitate this and give everyone a really good overview and what's going on and what are the plans for Eswatini. I'm trying to get you back on the spotlight here, but my computer is not. Oh no, now it works. Okay, so so we got you back in the picture here. But I'm wondering if any one of you has a question to the minister right now. Please raise your hand.